Shimmy Shaker. I am so excited about our latest choreography. It is the full SAIDI routine. SAIDI is a really beautiful style of Egyptian dance that comes from Upper Egypt. It's often danced with a cane or an asaya, and it's really fun because the energy is very upbeat. So if you want to check it out, or if you're looking for a choreography to do for your next performance, whether it be for a solo or a group, whether you want to dance with props or without, whether you're a beginner or more advanced dancer, I give you heaps of options, so it's going to work for you. Please check it out on my Patreon page. I will link that below. It's only $25 per month, and as well as getting access to our latest SAIDI choreography, you'll also be able to access our full Musicality course, which is really helpful for understanding and dancing to Arabic music. You'll also get access to our full veil choreography, which is a really beautiful one if you love dancing with silk veils, a drum solo, which is super fun and high energy, and a lovely grounded Baladi routine as well. So go and check it out. Let me know what you think, and happy dancing.